blah blah blah. Search the Play Store. Hi everyone, my name is Sejal Arora and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first of all, thank you so much for the love and support that you guys have shown me for my very first video. I mean, this means a lot to me. Please keep loving me like this and I promise I would be giving my 100% every time. So moving on, the topic that I chose today is what to do now when all these Chinese apps have been banned in India. So I chose this topic because firstly, I think it is a very current topic to be discussed, and no matter what, I think we should have faith on our Prime Minister's decision. We should boycott Chinese products and Chinese apps, and most importantly, believe in our Indian goods. Secondly, I felt that yes, we were facing a lot of difficulty in finding an alternative to the apps that are banned. Not all the 59 apps that are banned were so important, but a few of them had got a really high rating on Play Store. So I just thought to help you out, and here I am with a few alternative apps that you could use instead of those that are banned. And I made sure that I'm including at least one of Indian app to promote our Indian apps. Starting up with ShareIt and Zendo. So these two apps are basically used to transfer files, documents, images, videos, audios, everything from one phone to another phone. And I believe that they were so much used. I mean, till date, my phone has ShareIt installed in it. A good alternative to these apps would be firstly ShareAll. ShareAll because ShareAll is Indian, and I think it is quite same like ShareIt, no difference. Also, if you don't want ShareAll, you could just download files by Google. It is a great app to transfer files. Then I discovered this app called Feem V4. This app is quite useful, especially when you have to transfer files from an iOS device to a non-iOS device and vice versa. Next, I have this UC browser that was banned, and other than that there were DU browser, Apus browser, CM browser. All these browsers were Chinese and so they were banned, but I don't feel that you should find any difficulty in finding their alternative because all of us have Google Chrome in our phones and Google does almost the same work. But I would also like to promote a few Indian browsers, like you could use Geo browser, Opera browser or Indian browser. They all work really well. So the next is to all my girls, Shein, Romway and Club Factory that were banned. I mean, even I was so sad when I heard that Shein was banned, and I mean, I can understand how you all are feeling, but I feel that we have a lot of replacements and we should not get disheartened. I believe that there are a lot of clothing stores apart from these that do pretty much well, and they are just a bit undiscovered by all of us. The first alternative that I have for you is Myntra. Myntra is firstly a purely made in India app, and secondly it already had a quite good rating or better rating than Club Factory. And then if you want to explore more, I've got Hooves.com, I've got Forever 21 website. You could go to the Zara app, you could go to the Max app, you could go to the Lifestyle app, or there's also an app called the Sold Store. Trust me, they all have got really amazing and trendy clothes and you won't miss Shein. So just give them a try. My next app that I have is Cam Scanner. Yes, Cam Scanner was quite a lot used by all of us. So there are a lot of alternatives to Cam Scanner, and firstly there is Doc Scanner, which is an Indian scanning app, and it does the same function as that of Cam Scanner. Other than that, you could go for Adobe Scanner or Microsoft Office Lens or PDF scanner, they all are exactly same as that of Cam Scanner. I also found that Clean Master, a cleaning app, had got a really high rating on Play Store. Other than that, DU Master, that is also banned, had got quite a high rating on Play Store. These both were cleaning apps like cleaning or boosting your phone. So if you have seen my last video, I suggested a lot of cleaning apps there. So I'll mention them again. You could just go for Boost Cleaner, Phone Cleaner, Super Phone Cleaner, Space Master 2020, Clean Expert, and blah blah blah. Also, when I was searching about this YouTube video on Google and everything, I just came across a lot of websites that were, referring an alternative to PUBG and Zoom. So let me tell you that PUBG and Zoom are not banned and they are not Chinese. I mean, Zoom was made by Chinese company, but it was bought by American company, so it now belongs to USA. And PUBG was created or developed by a Korean company, and it has something to do with China, but ultimately its original owner is Korea. So if you are a PUBG player or using Zoom, but and yeah, I think I covered all the apps that I felt were most used and you guys were facing difficulty in finding their alternative. And I hope you guys like my suggestions. So with this, I come to an end of my second video. I know this video was a less on the entertainment part and a more on the informative part, but I promise you guys that my next video is gonna be real fun. So stay tuned. और अगर अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है तो प्लीज कर दो और like, share, comment and press the bell icon to get notified every time I post another video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.